if you want to present the Jupyter Notebook to someone, I always recommend saving it as an HTML file. So if you want to save it, you just go to File, Download As, over there, and you can save it as an HTML file. And that is very nice because it's non-editable. So you want to present it to somebody, your boss, your professor, your client, in an HTML file, as opposed to this Jupyter Notebook, because you need to have Jupyter Notebook on your computer to run this file if it's an IPYNB file. Rather save it as an HTML file once you've finished all the code, once you've run all the code, and then whoever gets that link to the HTML file is able to access it in a very neat format, as opposed to this Jupyter Notebook. That is the final video for the Jupyter interface, the basics. I think after this you should be able to understand at least the interface. In the next videos we will start looking at examples where we download libraries and where we upload the actual code and we do some data pre-processing. So please have a look at that, and I'll see you in the next video.